marites ka. Just kasi yan eh. Kinikilig ang... This is for you, Tutu. This is for you, Kukay, Kachuchay, Katutay, Tuti, Tutut, my baby girl. My eldest. Saling ustak mo dito. Stand here together like the family we once were and always will be. Ladies and gentlemen, Maria Cristina Cassandra Cuneta Concepcion.
Ito ang madalas kong pinagdadasal na sana one day we could sing a song together live at alone.
I'm glad you came last night.
But this was a surprise. I just found this out.
This is impromptu. Bigla, ang galing mag-aral ito kasi alam mo naman, nasayo kumanta.
Hindi ko lang din na mag-aralan to. Pareho kami.
Pero I have a song for Casey. You have a song for her too.
Sing that song.
Usually this song is sung as a love song. For weddings, for someone you love. Tonight I will sing it for my eldest daughter. I have 4 children. I do not have 3. I have 4. The first child to come and make me feel like a mother was this not so little girl beside me anymore. But she made my life complete. And if there is anything I regret, tigilan niyo yan. Sorry kids, we couldn't give you that complete family. But you have 2 families loving you. Yes. And Papa and I never stopped loving you. And you were never the problem. I love you.
Okay na kayo, ha?
Kanina pa kayo nag-holding hand. Huwag ka masyado mag-chill kasi lagi mong kasama. May naman na konti.
Makita ko lang okay na sila. Okay na rin. I'm happy.
Mag-i-intertwine na nga yung mga daliri ninyong dalawa pa, ma. May crush na. I know. Kumari ka pa pa.
Sandali lang.
Confirm.
Sandali lang.
Sabi ko may crush sa kanyang papa niya. Sabi niya, I know. Ma, tagal natin nagsama tayong dalawa na. Oo. Sige, ito lang na pagbibigyan kita. Congrats. My eldest. Saling ustak mo dito. Sa
sunshine of my life.
Lang ako nito, may bisita pa ho tayo. Hindi ko malaman kung sino po ba favorite mo. Papasukin na po natin. Pwede ho tumuloy na ho kayo. Sir? Sir? May security lang pala itong naunan doon. Nasaan na?
Baka naman nandiyan na talaga.
Nandiyan na. Mr. Stallone is the security. Sure.